Okay, today I want to show you how to set up a very simple landing page on your website for your book and integrate an email opt-in form onto your page. I'm going to be using ConvertKit for this one because that is my primary email provider. But the concept is simple the concept is the same no matter which one of your email systems that you use, MailChimp or Aweber or whatever it is. So the easiest way to do this, and this works out perfectly because we are getting ready to launch a new book. So I'm just going to go over here and I'm going to go down to New Page. I'm assuming you're using WordPress. That's what we put our website on. If you're using a different kind of website background, then you will just need to create a new page however you do it in Squarespace or whatever you're using for your website. Okay, so it's simple. Start a new page, and then we're just going to type in a title, either the new book, or in this case, since I know that it's going to be Ain't Nothing But a Tween Teen Thing book. Whatever you want to name it. Doesn't really matter. We're going to save the draft. So we've got our book page up here. I'm going to make this the URL that I want it to be. So we're going to edit this and we're going to do Teen Thing book. That's what I want it to be. Okay. Now, this part's super simple. The whole point of having just some place where you can direct people super easily, and in fact, that might not even be the easiest thing. You want it to be a simple URL that you can direct people to. Of course, you can set up a pretty link so that it's just losethecape.com/new book, or however you want to get people there easily. But basically, you're just going to keep this as simple as possible to start off by creating just a quick blurb. Guess what? Our new book is launching in the fall. This book is for parents who are about to embark upon the tween and teen years and are feeling a little bit overwhelmed. We have rounded up expert advice from moms, dads, and other experts who have already taken this journey and are ready to arm you with advice. Okay? For more, now this is where you can decide what you want to do. It can be for more information, or for more information on the book launch, please sign up here. Okay? Now, what we would like to do, I want to see if I'm going to be able to find this quickly. So ideally what you want is to have created some kind of image that you can use on the page just so that you have something pretty and not just words. So okay, I know that's happening. Close. Come on. And I'm going to grab that right here and add it to the page. I just created a quick graphic in Canva. So if you haven't already started working with a cover designer and you don't have a cover yet, just create something cute that allows you to have something on your page. So I've got that image. I'm going to move this down to the bottom. Might make this just a little bit smaller. That's pretty huge. Okay. Sign up for more information about the book launch here. Okay, so if you've got a free chapter that you can hand out, if you've got some kind of fun giveaway or something like that, you would put that here because obviously you want as many ways as you can to entice people in. But for this beginning part, when you're just getting to the point where you want a place to direct people, it's fine to just say sign up for more information about the book launch here. You're going to hop on over to your email thing, and I'm just going to create a simple form, just super simple. Sign me up. First name, email address, super simple. You can change the color if you want to change the color here, you know, whatever. Make it fun if you want to. Where's the pink? I don't really like that. I'll just stick with blue. Okay, so super easy. You've got your little sign me up form, or if you're offering a free chapter or something like that, you can change this to download now or count me in, something like that that gets people in there. So you're going to go to your settings, you're going to go to the embed, and you're going to grab this piece of code right here, hop back on over, go to the text thing, and put it in there. That little doodad right there shows that the form is there. I'm going to save the draft. Slow computer today. We're going to preview. And voila, now you have a landing page for your book. Now, if you want it to be so that they don't get distracted by other things, now I'm going to want to go back and change some things around because, first of all, we don't want all this other stuff happening in here because I don't want to distract them. I want this to be a plain page where they're not getting any other stuff. So I don't want another ConvertKit thing. If you have ConvertKit on there, you know, mess around with this. I want to make sure that there's a featured image here. Just going to use the same one we just did. Set the featured image. I want to see what it looks like if it's on a blog page. See how that makes any difference. Oops, that's not what we wanted. All right, so we're going to use it. So I'm going to click on the screen options up here. Right now we have it set on 2 columns. I'm going to change this to 1 column. And, oh, that's not what I wanted. That's the wrong thing. What I meant to say was you want to come down here and choose the layout for this particular one. So we want it to be a full page, and this will be in different, can be in different places. In my theme, it's down here. It might be up here under the template, but let's see if that changed the preview so that it's a full page without the sidebar distraction. Yes, okay. So you want to change it so that it's full page without the distraction, and then hit publish, and you have it all set up so that when people come to your page, they have an opt-in, they can go, they see a little bit about what your book is about, little image if you have one, and then you give them the option to opt into your email list. And then when they sign up, they will go on a specific list that is just for people who wanted information about your book and you can target those people specifically when you are doing email blasts. So it's super simple to set up a simple landing page to start getting people into your book specific email list.